Hello guys, are we live? Not sure. Are we live now? Not sure if we're live now or not. Hello guys, can you hear me now? Well, you should hear me. Everything should be fine now. Uh, if you guys could let me know, it will be good. Anticipating this is my bottom and yeah, yeah. Everything is fine so far. This is not important. This is just one. And a couple of things. Let me make sure if you guys could hear me, then we will go straight away to the charts. Try to understand certain levels on a per section. Um, yeah, if you could let me know, it would be good. Yeah, everything is good, fine. I think so. And this is 1 minute time frame chart on Bitcoin. This it's 2 o'clock. We're on time, thankfully. Thank God. A little bit late. I usually prefer to be um, on my desk before 1, and I was at 1:07 here. So I kind of find not too bad, but a couple of things just wanted to discuss right now. This is a Bitcoin chart on 1 minute time frame. I have highlighted this lower high on charts. I'm anticipating this is my local bottom, and market have to go toward upper. This line is 4 hour time frame value gap. Anticipating market should have to go toward upper side from here to disrupt this previous high, that high, and this blue line, and maybe. So first of all, I wanted to have a look under the charts considering we have a no news today. Today is Wednesday, not a really a big news. Tomorrow we have this CPI news coming up, and on Friday we have PPI news as well. There's another news I was just watching as well today at 4 p.m. The House vote at 4 p.m. will decide if US government shutdown will end or not today. So they will decide today if they wanted to shut down the keep on the government shut down or not. If, for example, they decided to keep the to open the market to open the government, tomorrow we have this CPI news. Definitely, right now this is tentative. Tentative means I'm not sure that it could at any point it could may remain. Um, there's no time for this news, and then government is shut down. If government remains shut down, this news we have seen last month as well. They skip this news. All of the news they have been skipped has been skipped. If tomorrow, today at 4 p.m., they open this the US government, and then tomorrow we'll have this CPI news will definitely will come out, and we will have this PPI news as well. Definitely will come out. So we will anticipate considering how this decision would vote how they would vote. We will try to understand the market considering that scenarios as well. And if market government go shut open, they decide to open the government tomorrow, we'll have definitely news. And today same thing. No news before a big day news. We have seen a choppy session, morning session, afternoon session, Asian session. That's it. So a couple of things we will discuss right now. Considering if we have no news today, we don't know if government will open. If they will open, they will have a news today. So maybe we anticipate a choppy session. If they did not open open the government, we can anticipate more of a like choppy. If they open the news, we can anticipate tomorrow a volatility on charts. considering we have to keep everything and considering how this daily time frame candle as well it has performed. Yesterday it was quite aggressive bearish candle. I was leaning bearish. I was not I was like, these lows I'm not really confident on. I'm anticipating market can disrupt these two lows today and maybe come down to this level as well. But all of a sudden we have seen just after the opening it went toward upper side. And right now, if you consider like on daily time frame, it could be bullish for to what level it could be bullish from. Do you think it could knock this side? Do we have considering we have no news? Tomorrow we may have a big news. I don't think so. This side could be knocked off today because we have no news. I'm anticipating a choppy session. This side I will be not aiming for today to be knocked off, which is yesterday high. After that we have this daily high. This high could be knocked off. Yeah. After that we have this daily high. I'm not confident that market may knock this high. So it could knock this daily high, which is at 105, approximately 355, 455, 50, or maybe could just go to this weekly low as well, which is these levels I've just discussed with you. This is this daily high, and after that we have this weekly low as well. Possible it could go there. We have 913 right now. And the other thing is for bearish case scenario, maybe because in this session, maybe market has to be bearish on charts. We cannot deny. And we could can we anticipate this daily low could be knocked off? Yesterday low? It's unlikely to me. Very unlikely to me. It could just come down to this daily low, which is this Monday low. Maybe we have all of those daily highs as well. And this is a daily favorable gap as well. It could come down maybe inside this daily favorable gap. So I'm anticipating more for like market may not give us it may not be today may not be an ideal day trading day, or some day trading means like you take just one trade and you hold that trade and then you let the trade run for like more for like 2000 $1,000 move trade on charts. But today I'm not anticipating this kind of price action. It may just give us a quick scalp possible. So I will be pretty much in, for example, considering everything, if I have to go for a scalp on charts, I will be very careful because yesterday we were scalping, we was scalping the market, and then I stopped out 3 times yesterday. So I made a rule yesterday that for scalp trades, for a choppy session day, when you anticipate, oh, this is choppy session, I will be just doing 2 trades for quick scalp. That's it. One or maybe two for quick scalp. If it played out, fine. Not played out, I will be pretty much content. Yeah, this is not ideal trading day. I have to be sitting still, watching and observing the charts. That's how it is. I'm watching right now, considering how market could perform. If I have to do for a scalp, we can discuss that later as well. But for now, on 4 hour time frame, we have inverted this 4 hour time frame really gap. Look at this. Open just went toward upper side, quite aggressive bullish cross section, and we're more of like trying to hold this 4 hour time frame really gap as well. On this 4 hour time frame, we have 1 hour 44 minutes left. I wanted to see this previous 4 hour time frame high, which is this daily high as well. Or maybe this should be knocked off, or maybe it could go to 105, 106, 106, 200 as well for bullish case scenario. We are not chasing this high. We have to be careful. On downside, maybe in the morning session, market has to keep this high. Market has to keep this high as well. It has to come down. It could come down to this weekly low, or maybe this low. We are not chasing these lows on charts. This is what it is. I am 1 hour time frame as well, as we have seen this aggressive bullish cross section. And there's one more thing. We will go to weekly time frame. We'll go now. On weekly time frame, I've been watching this weekly close quite yes last week. I've been watching this weekly low. Like I was like, the way it has closed this weekly candle with the massive wick toward the downside. I am anticipating this could be our local bottom on charts. This could be our ultimate local bottom on charts. We cannot deny this. Maybe market may not go below this low for next couple of months. Maybe trading very close to those lows. The way it has closed this massive wick, closed upward side, and it may not go all the way below this weekly low. Considering that this is what I was just trying to understand as well how this week could be on charts. I was like, it could come down to this weekly low, this weekly low could come down all the way to this weekly fair gap high as well. But I believe this could be our bottom on charts. And there's one more thing on weekly time frame. If you could draw a fixed range profile from here, this is a range from here to here. Market is trading close to the previous value rail of the range as well. This is a buy bid chart. If you go to the Binance chart in here, from this range to this range, we have already come back inside the value area of the range as well. So ultimately, on a bigger picture time frame, I'm considering the previous weekly low. It could be our bottom on charts. And after that, we have yesterday, and we have come back inside the value area of the range, and this is this weekly low. To this the week we are trading right now, this weekly low is this one. This Tuesday low, yesterday low. And the weight has come back inside the value rail of the range, and Tuesday low is already our this. Tuesday low is our weekly low as well on charts. Um, this weekly low as well. Tuesday low is this weekly low as well. And the way we got the bounce from here, if we are anticipating on bigger picture time frame, this is the last week low, is our bottom. We cannot deny this. After that, we have this like this week's low, which is Tuesday low, may be our second bottom on charts. We may not go below this low as well for the ultimate bullish case scenario. Just anticipating, not saying that this is bottom, buying in here. No, I'm just anticipating this could be it. I may be wrong. Maybe this week market has to be bearish whole week. Maybe market has to be trade inside this range. You cannot deny this is also range. These highs and these lows. Maybe these highs or these lows. Maybe market has to trade inside this range as well. Come back down, disrupt this low, cut another low high this range, then try to be bullish, which is also possible. I'm just anticipating, as I'm anticipating the last week lows. This is my last week low. I'm anticipating this my bottom. After that, we have this low, Tuesday low, which is this weekly low. For so far, I'm anticipating if market continue to be bullish from here, this could be our second bottom on charts. And we have already come back inside the value area of the range. We can anticipate upward side projection from here to disrupting those highs, coming back inside this range. This is the high, and it will be these will be the lows. It could be trading inside this range, like this kind of projection. I'm not saying that we this if this is the bottom, we are going to all-time high or chasing this. No, I'm not anticipating or not predicting that next this month or maybe next month as well. Market may not be show any intent to going all the way to all-time high, and we cannot deny this. Everybody, this is also a thing. Everybody will be looking for the market uh for the first next year, first second to for next year, January, February, March, April, Q1 of 2026. Everybody will be looking for the bullish cross section toward upper side, or they will be looking for the market is going to all-time high. You cannot deny that this could be it on charts. Maybe we could remain sideways at this range, and January, February, everybody will be bullish, and all of a sudden roll down, which is also possible as well. You cannot deny this. I'm anticipating this could be our ultimate high as well. That's it. Market may not go above this high. The weight has aggressive downside price action shown knocking after creating the highs. May not be bullish from here. So this is more of like ultimately just on a bigger which is the time frame. I'm anticipating that may play it out. It may not play it out. I'm not sure, but I'm anticipating it could play it out. We're just keeping an eye on. We have this is today Tuesday low. I'm anticipating could be our bottom as well. If this is our bottom on charts, Today it should not have to be bearish. Could be bearish, but it should not have to go below this low, and then it has tried to be bullish from here toward upper side. We have a 921 now. So far it is more of like a chop in here. I could have looked for a shot in here. And on the 4 hour time frame as well, same, looking for this previous 4 hour time frame high, or maybe to 106 200, maybe could be bearish as well to this daily low as well again. And in that case, you could keep those odds as well. On 1 hour time frame, look at this, the way this 1 hour time frame market has opened and then gone down. It is already telling me market wants to go toward upper side. And we have, this is the 1 hour time frame fair value gap. I wanted to see market keep this fair value gap open. So this is the previous 1 hour time frame low. On shorter term time frame, I'm bullish. I'm anticipating this is my bottom, which is this one, on 1 minute time frame. Market not to go below, it could be trading very close to this low. Ultimately, I want to see in this New York session market should have to go toward upper side, disrupt all of those highs and these highs. And 30-minute time frame, same. This is the previous low, lower high, fair value gap in here. Wanted to see a bullish price action toward upper side. And 15-minute time frame, we could see in here, lower high in here. Market is cutting lower high in here, and then we can be bullish from here to disrupt all of those highs. Uh, this previous highs, or maybe those highs as well. So just watching and observing the charts, not doing anything, not pushing the buttons. Yeah, just anticipate. Yeah, you always have to have anticipation on charts to look for and to see if it is going to as always I said, to anticipate, watch, observe if it is going to play it out or not, and then look for it. I need coffee. We have 26 minutes. Oh, sorry. 26. 9:26 now. Let's play some game. I was playing this game, bro. Oh, stop, stop, stop. King, stop. Oh no, man. Shit. Oh no, man. Oh, this is good. I don't know now from where we have to go 60% less. Nice one. And this is going to be no. Oh my goodness. I was just playing this gold fee game. Oh, what is that for me? Nice one. Good try. Um, can you go all the way in here? Should go all the way, man. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh no. This is bad. What is this? We'll start from there. Okay. Oh, oh. Stay there. Fuck. So, I was playing this game as well. Sorry, guys. Can you be able to hear me? So far, it is going down. We cannot deny. Maybe it has to keep those highs. Maybe it has to keep those highs. Maybe it has to keep those highs, and it has to come down to disrupt all of those lows. I wanted to see if market coming back down with trading very close to those lows. We will be watching for the upper side price action. So far, if you could see in here, it is holding this level nicely. This is 4 hour time frame for very gap high as well. We have 9:30 now. I have to walk up a little bit. I will be pretty much content with this. That for a scalp trade, I have to be very careful. We could come down all the way to this low for downside first action give up. This low. So if you could just see in here, We are already going down. I wanted to see this low if market show any intent to go below this low. Or trading very close to this low and then try to be bullish. This is what I wanted to change now. Before that 1 or 5 minute time frame I used to watch in here, but I wanted to just watch a 1 minute time frame in here. 5, 15, 31 for daily. I'll be watching in here. Because this is too many complications. Too complicate I can complicate the things so much. I have not even done anything on my Twitter thingy. I could have done that by the way. So far this is going down. Let's see. Um, I'm not confident on the way this 1 hour time frame market has opened. Yeah, 30 minute time frame as well. Yeah, trying to just knock this low. If we disrupt this low, it could come down all the way, knocking all of those lows to this 30 minute time frame fairly gap to this daily low as well. And we have this hourly fairly gap as well in here. 104, 400. So this low has been knocked off. It's just 8 minutes after the opening. So market has went down. We have all of those lows I'm looking for if it's possible. I have to be very careful buying in here because as long as we're trading below this high, I have to be careful. Uh, to not to chase the bottom. Yesterday I was chasing bottom. I was chase bottom, man. Yesterday I was chasing bottom. Oh my god. Oh my god. So yeah. So as it is going down, let's see if you give me the view up on the daily low. We know we have all of those lows, so yeah. Yeah, it has to be aggressively go down from here. Trading sideways choppy could reverse as well from here. This is a crucial level. Just for 4 minutes left for the forward time frame. Yeah. 30-minute time frame going down, 1 hour time frame. I'm not confident on this 1 hour time frame open, by the way. Let's see. I don't know why I'm feeling tired. Yeah, trading sideways or choppy at this range is already a sign that it could go to the upper side. She'll have to give me those lows and then daily low. It's 9:43 now. If for example, if it has to go to the passat from here, we have to wait for at least 15 to 30 minute time frame candle close. With a wick, massive wick, maybe like this. Still, if you could say this is another low high, if it close like this with a wick, then we will anticipate a bottom. This one, for example, we have 1 minute left, and then from here I will be looking for if market has a potential to go to the opposite. As long as you're trading below those highs, you have to be careful. I don't know what kind of trading I've done. We have all of those highs from here could go to the upside. For market, I'm anticipating a buy position in here. For example, buying in here, stop loss could be in here all the way to those highs. 3 hour trade if it is possible. As long as we're trading below this low, I have to be very careful. And we have to wait for this 15-minute time frame candle close. 7 seconds left. Just watching and observing. Not pushing the buttons, not doing anything. So this close is done. Now this is my bottom. I will do this. I'm anticipating this in my bottom. If we have all of those highs, that could be the reason for the market to be bullish. We cannot deny this could be our bottom. Look at this 5 minute time frame. But have to be careful as long as we're trading below this low. Could be aggressively bullish from here. 104,700 to 104,400. Can I buy right now? My stop loss could be below this low. Should have to invert this early gap and then tends to be bullish. And we are already anticipating this 1 hour time frame is not really good. This could happen within 30 minutes, 13 minutes. Or should I have to wait? Just watching for now. Look at this rejection candle. So for scalp trades, I have to be very careful. I have to be very careful to do if I have to do any kind of scalp. Yeah, now I'm considering this now. I'm considering this top. This is my top. Follow those lows. Look at this. Can delete this one. Look at this. Close it quite aggressively and then quite aggressively going down. And this is already a rejection from a 4 out of fair value gap high. VWAP and daily low. Look at this. So yeah, this is difficult to trade. It was way too aggressive. And when it created this candle and closed, I was like, you can go for a short. Look at this. You have to be content with the VWAP, and then we was just looking for daily low on VWAP. It gone down all the way to this low. Look at this all. Do you think it is possible it could disrupt all of those lows? Let's see. We have lows in here like 103K from here. Not sure. It is 949 now. You have this is $1,000 move, by the way. You have to be out from the market if you have taken this trade. So when this candle close, I do anticipate, yeah, this is my top. But for entry, they did not give me an entry. Just went down. They did not give me an entry. I'm just thinking about a lot of irrational things. Right now, I'm just saying, anticipating it is possible it could disrupt all of those laws, but it may not possible as well. If it has to do that, I wanted to see aggressive downside price action. 1013, we have this 1013 all the way to the 102 400 may be possible. In that case scenario, I wanted to see aggressive downside price action for the market. If market failed to be aggressively bearish, it is possible it could remain sideways, or could reverse as well from here all the way to these highs. Considering how we closed, this is about like 3956 now. We can anticipate aggressive bullish for a second as well from here, which is also the thing. 3 minutes left for this as well. Hourly close as well about to happen. This is not a good hourly close as well. So, but we will have this last hour going on 4 hour time frame. Do you think the last hour time frame, last 1 hour market could be bullish to disrupt this and that high? Not sure. So let's see this for 15:31 hour close 531 as well. Anticipating it could be like this from here if it has to go to 13k, and in that case scenario I wanted to see market should have to keep this value gap open. This is our high low, be bearish from here. um it is possible that it could be doing this as well from here. Anticipating this is my up bottom, this is the low, should not have to go below. Give me a lower high at this range, then be bullish, aggressively bullish. Let's see. Or it is possible, then also possible to just go up, show rejection, come back down, create low high, go up, more like sideways as well. This is also possible. So yeah, just anticipating if it has to be aggressively bearish, 113k. This is the high low. Let's see if it could give us. Oops, no. Again from here to here. Hmm. We have this close as well about to happen. 15:31 hour. As we have this new hourly new 30, new 15-minute time frame candle is about to open. Um, we cannot deny market may not be aggressively bearish because it's a new, every new candle brings a little bit of new volatility toward upside or downside before it gives actual price action. So even if this small time frame market has to be bullish or bearish, for example, it could give us more of like upward side price action and go down for 10 minutes. This is 10 o'clock now. So if it has to go to 113K, why it is not really aggressively going down? And if this session market has to remain choppy, it will not go anywhere. If it has to remain choppy, it will not go anywhere. It will be trading like inside this range. Pretty much content with this. So as we're trading, we have gone down. This is a 5 minute unfilly gap as well. So I wanted to see downward side for a section, maybe all the way. If this today is more of like CPI day or high volatility day, I would have been I would have high conviction that these lows could be knocked off. But today is Wednesday. I have a little bit less conviction today. So look at this. This one is not valid now. I believe so. So we have seen after the opening, market went down aggressively. This already is telling me market is not aggressively willing to go down now. It could make a retest then go down, or could reverse, or could remain sideways. We have this is invalid now for me. Could make a retest. This is a 5 minute unfairly gap possible, then go down. It has already tapped inside this 5 minute unfairly gap as well. So it has tapped inside this 5 minute unfairly gap. Just anticipating 113K if it's possible, but aggressive downside projection is seems invalid to me now. Could make a retest then go down. We always have two possibilities, so you know that. Oh, there is one more thing I'm keeping an eye on. Is it is possible it could do like this as well in here. This is last hour going on 4 hour time frame, may not happen, may not possible. It may not happen on this 4 hour time frame, which is also a thing. So yeah. So just watching and observing, not taking any trade today. So so far this week, I would say that Monday we took 3 scalp trades. Overall, we end up being in a positive. And same Monday or Tuesday morning, Monday night, I was watching Monday night and Tuesday early in the morning, new day opening. We missed this $1,000 move trade, over $2,000 move trade, and the Tuesday stopped out 3 times. Overall, uh, more of like not really good week, but A bad week. Uh, yeah, this is very important. You cannot rush. This is this kind of, I would say that, a profession. We have to take every single step very cautiously, carefully, with patience, considering all of those possibilities, all of those edge you have in a market. And you may be watching the charts for like 8 hours in a day, and still you may not get nothing. You may got stopped out, or you may miss the trades, or you may or just you enter the trade, it stopped you out, then went in your direction. You have to understand this and accept this, and you have to not to let yourself down on in every aspect. You have to just stay simple, calm, composed, happen part of the game onto the next one, part of the game onto the next one, part of the game onto the next. Even though you're making money, you made $1 million trade. The next trade, next time you have to come in front of the charts, considering what this is what is your edge, like you have just opened the charts for the first time ever in your life. And same perspective, open mind, focused mind. This is what it is. It requires you to be. At any point you feel like lazy, or just go out for the trade. Oh, how can I miss this trade? This is what I was thinking about yesterday whole day. I missed a very good trade on $2,000 trade on um early in the morning, Monday, new day opening. It was Tuesday early in the morning opening, and I was like, I have to watch the new session now. I really did not want that missed move to reflect my next trades, or pushing the buttons irrationally because I missed the trades. I was trying to forget up bro forget that trade. It is it will be good for you if you forgot about this trade right now as quickly as possible and look forward to the things. And same thing, Tuesday morning session coming up, we are trading, we're pushing the buttons and getting stopped out. Pushing the buttons in an irrational choppy session. Just because previously you had a mindset that, oh, I miss this trade, how can I miss this trade? This is what it is. It should not be like that. So we are human, we made mistakes, we learn from them. So it did not seems to me that still we are trading below this 5 minute and fail gap. So if this would have been aggressively bearish, this high would be it. This high would be it. It has to go down from here. The, we have 10, 11 now. I have to do one more thing as well, man. So I don't know on 30-minute time frame. I think this price action is also invalid. I think the aggressive bullish price action is also invalid now. If this would have been still possible, it could go there, but if this would have been 8, it would have done this. It would have already gone up. It would have not spent too much time at this range. It would have never done that. But spending too much time is already more of like this may not happen. And we have already just could go just up then go down, could go just down then go up, or could remain choppy as well at this range. I believe so now. Let's see. Let's see if this time it try to disturb this low. If it failed to go down below this low, we may have a scalp trade opportunity. Another high low on 5 minute time frame show rejection going down, inverting this little gap. Disrupt this the all of these three lows. I want to see this low and then 1 or 13K as well from here because we're going down. That's why. Have a 10:14 now. 5 minute time frame about to close. It is possible it could just disrupt this low, then try to get the mount as well. For example, if it failed to go down below this low, and I may look to scalp, but I have to look for my target as well. If my target is not defined, I may not take any trade. So far, it's a more of like boring session. I'm anticipating this. Um, Trading close to these lows, not going down below this low, could consider trade, but have to be careful. Could anticipate bounce toward this filler gap, which is should not be like that. I believe so. This is aggressive bullish price action and aggressive bearish price action is invalid now. Could just go up, remain. It could just remain inside this 4 order of filler gap, which is these green lines. possible. So right now, 41 minutes left. We don't need to go there. 30 minutes left. So as we're trading very close to this low, I'm anticipating if I'm watching if this low could be knocked off, and then continuation toward low levels. This daily high is, if you could see, this daily low and this daily high is a daily fuel gap as well. We have to keep that in our mind. Give me this low. Yeah, this is done. We do anticipate when it get high low this range, come down, keep this fuel gap open, keep this fuel gap open, just tap into this fuel, get fuel gap, just tap into this, come back down, disrupting all these local lows and this low as well. We did not trade this. When you don't know, like it's sure rejection coming back down, this is a fail gap, it created, you got to know when this candle close, and at this point going for this low, not easy. Considering the way it was trading on those highs, you could have looked for go for a short, just putting yourself over this high, just look for this low, this area. This could have been a trade if you could just open your eyes, man. 800 to 400, that's it, man. Let's see it continue to be bearish from here to disrupt all of those lows, which is also possible. In that case scenario, I wanted to see this really gap, you have to keep it open. Let me highlight these lows. Just the first low, and I don't want to highlight all of those lows, just this low. 103K, let's see. Let's see if it could give me this one. I'm anticipating it should have to keep this value gap open. And we have to know that this is the daily high, is the daily value gap low as well, and this weekly low as well in here. It will be great if market did not keep this value gap open as well too. 7 minutes. Could be disrupting all of those lows. Cannot deny. Could be disrupting all of those lows. 1 hour. Or could completely reverse as well from here. If it has to go down from here, I wanted to see these failed gap, it should have to keep it open. Look at this 3-minute time frame. We're up to 10:23. Can I go for a short? Not right now. Really not confident. Let's see if this keep this high. Let's see if it keep this high now. Go down. I know. They have 2 minutes left for the 10:30. It could completely reverse as well from here. I'm pretty much content with this as well. because this is a daily fuel gap low, and going for a buy difficult in this kind of environment. Going for a buy. It's difficult to go for a buy position. 15-minute time frame. Look at this. The waiters keep this 15-minute time fill gap open. What do you think? Are you leaning bearish or bullish? This is our previous major highs, by the way. Do you think this could be the top? Oh, can I look to buy? Let's see if it invert this favorable gap. And this is my top. I'm anticipating a short position in here. Going for a short, your stop loss should be above this high now. Follow those lows. It is a 2-hour trade. Stop loss above this high. 26. Not sure if this it could give me this, because this we are trading at the low of the daily fairly gap. If we disturb this low, it is definitely knocking all of those lows, man. Can risk that. Could be disrupting all of those lows. 1 or 2 400 as well. I have to keep it tight, man. Or should I close? Keep it tight. Not at all or idle trade. Closing. Should have to wait for the should have to wait for this candle close, man. Look at this. 28. Yeah, did not have a high conviction these lows. I did not have that. If we get the bounce from here and on just on a bigger picture time frame, it could give us a good weak candle close. I may look for a scalp buy. Reversal trade. We have 10:30 now. I was out for more chats. Let's see, market not to go above this high now. Can I risk that? 10:30. And no, this week is bad. This week it did not seem to me really good to me on 15-minute time frame. Around 5-minute time frame as well. This week. Can I buy? Well, we're just looking for these 5-minute time frame highs or maybe this area. Surplus below this low. Anticipating a buy position in here. Considering the way it has closed on this wick, it could give me all of those highs late. Surplus could be below this low. Could go all the way to VWAP as well. Could go all the way to the VWAP as well. So let's see if it is played out. We're not taking the trade. Anticipating this. And this is it. For example, we buy in here and here, and then I'm looking for VWAP. Can I buy? Or should I have to wait for the next candle to buy? This close is bad. Can I still buy? It's 32. Seems to me it wants to go to the upper side, man. If I buy in here, it is more of like catching the bottom. You can look to catch the bottom at this end because it is trading very close to these previous lows and then can at least get the bounce to the VWAP. Stop loss should be below this low. It will be great if market just come down at this range, carry it another low high. I'll be confident. Because we are going down, it is possible we could be doing like this as well. Could be once more, get another low high, then try to be bullish as well. But you can risk that if this candle close bullish. Can I risk this candle low? I can risk that. Just risking this previous 1 minute time from candle for the VWAP to let's see if it could give me this. I will let this trade run. Or should I have to wait? We'll be looking for just local highs or VWAP, that's it. Just VWAP on these local highs. Anticipating it should not have to go. But still, it could just do like this. Cut a lower high and then be bullish as well. Because yeah, this is also possible. So these kind of trades you have to be very careful because you're risking very small amount. These are quick scalp trades. You may be out from the charts in a second, and your timing is very important. You may be just entering the charts, you risk very small amount, and you just got stopped out like this, and then it stopped you out, and then go to the other side or in your direction, which is you are looking for. Just like this. Look at this. You may be your timing is very important. You just your timing is a little bit of you can't be late. You can't be too early. If you're late, you miss. You have to be sitting still. If you are too early, you got stopped out like this. These kind of trades, you have to be careful. So right now I'm anticipating if market fail to go below this low, invert this 1 minute time frame fail gap, I will be bullish. Looking for upper side for a second. Because we are trading below, I will be looking for these lows. Let's see. Cannot deny we are still bearish. Look at this. This seems to me it is bearish. 30-minute time frame. I don't need to go to 30-minute time frame. We are just 15-minute time frame. Anticipating this could be our bottom. Just watching and observing very closely. If it has to be bullish from here, you'd have to invert this early gap. And you can always get a trade in here. Conceding it should not have to go below this low. As we are going down, we're already bearish. Keep this value gap open, be bearish to this low. Yeah, think it wants to go. Or it is possible that it could get another low high and then try to be bearish. To be careful. You have to keep yourself more of aligned with the bearish or downward side for a second because we are bearish just after the opening we went down. So yeah, look at this. Keeping this 15-minute time fairly gap open is already a sign. It should have to give me all of those lows. Can you be just bearish? Can I be just bearish? Forgot about bullish case scenario and look for shorts only all the way to these lows. It will be easy for you, by the way, if you could just keep the things in one-sided because you are actually complicating the things considering both scenarios because it is going down. Why are you doing that? So it is going down. Let's see if it continues to be bearish from high to disrupt all of those lows. I just wanted to be on one-sided. I do not want to complicate the things. If you just remain on one-sided, being wrong and one-sided, it is fine. Oh, this could happen bullish, this could happen bearish. This is complication, man. One-sided, bearish right now. Could be going down here. If it has to disrupt, it don't need to make a retest and then go. This could have been your scalp trade, man. Keep you when this candle close, you're watching this real gap. Should have to keep it up and be bearish. We do anticipate this, but why you complicate the thing that it could be bullish, it could be bearish? Okay, so now it should give me this low. It should have to keep this fill gap open. I want to see how this guy. So let's see if this keep this fill gap open. Then gonna counter it now. Cannot take a trade. So yeah, this is the high I am looking for now. It should not have to go above this high. Give me the 102,400. Can I risk that? 2 minutes left. It could go to 200 in here. 102,400. Yeah, could go 102,200 as well. This is the high I'm looking for, not to go above, because it is aggressively very so. Yeah, can I risk that? This could have been a trade. 800 to 400. 750 to, yeah, cannot go for trade right now. So it should not have to go each individual 1 minute time frame candle high. That's what I wanted to see. Oh my god, late now. Late now. Entering late now. This is the low I'm looking for. Could go all the way to 104,200 as well. This area as well. Can I go for a short? Risking this big sound. just 400 right now. This may happen at in next macro 1050. Let's see, market not to go over this. I know this is the top. Can be putting a surplus over this. You have to be out at this in here. I didn't not want to trade these kind of took these kind of trades. I have to be very careful taking these kind of trades. These are scalp trades. May happen within a minute, may happen within not a minute. You may stop out within a minute. And also, these are not very good big trades or you could hold, and you don't trust at what time is it going to perform like that. You may be just because this happened quite very fast, and you have entering, exiting, putting a stop loss. You are out or you are out. That's it. This is good. You can take this trade, but still have to get more confident on and these kind of trades. I will be pretty much content with this, that if I can be able to miss these kind of trades, I'm fine. Give me 104, 102, 400 now. For real account, I have not taken any trade till now. Look at this. You, for example, you went for a short now. We're at break even looking for this low. Did not play down. You have to be very careful. It's better you just watch and observe. If you don't know, it's better you just watch and observe the market. That's it. Better you just. This could have been a scalp. If you miss this trade, it's fine. One or four, one or two 400. I'm looking for. It could go one or two 200 or one or two K as well from here. At this monthly low. Could be knocking all of those lows as well. Has we gone 101 300. Look at this. The weight has keep this 15-minute after gap open. 30-minute time frame gap open. Trust bigger picture time frame, man. I always told you, you have to trust bigger picture time frame. 101, 300, 400. I wanted to discuss on a bigger picture time frame as well, because just because start of the live stream bottom, and this is more of like I was telling you I'm anticipating, and this is more of like it's telling me maybe knocked off now. So yeah, as it is going down, I am looking for just a quick scalp, too short. If I cannot be able to take that trade, for example, if it left these lows, went toward upper side, this is 5 minute time fill gap. I want to say keeping it open. Give me lower high. I'll be looking for short. This is 1052. The other thing, other mistake. I got. I'm getting profitable now. I have to start making thousands, hundreds. Right now, this week, I have to make this much money. It is so bad. You have to be slow, steady. If your edge is there, this low is knocked off. 104, 200. This low. This could have been your scalp, man, already. This was the high we was looking for. This is the fair value gap. Okay, just went up to the fair value gap. Gone down. This is macro as well. You're risking what? You're risking, for example, you enter in here, you're risking this high. When it create fair value gap, you just put your stop loss above the fair value gap and trust yourself. Trust that it will give you this low. And you're out. You're risking very small amount in here at break even. This is a very good trade. For example, we went for a short in here. It created fair value gap. Your initial stop loss is there. Okay. When it created fair value gap, just have into this. You keep it tight, man. You have to keep it tight. This is already a 2-hour trade. And when it come create fair value gap, you just put your stop loss above the fair value gap. That's it. Give me this low. It's already 4-hour trade. If we take this trade at in these kind of days, you take this trade, you have to be content with this. You cannot let these kind of trades run for market is going to go to zero. No, you have to be in and out. And you have to know that already market is already going down now quite aggressively. You could anticipate a pullback at any point toward upper side. You are trading the market as it is already going down. So at any point it could completely reverse or maybe pull back. You get your piece of a bite, you have to be out. I would have been out from the market right now. I would have taken straight. Let's see if you give me these lows now, keeping this value gap open. Now to the next one. So if it has to keep this value gap open, this can be your high now. I'm not taking this trade, anticipating. Keep this value gap open. If it has to go down to this monthly, and we have 2 minutes left. This 15-minute time frame, because we have 2 minutes left. We could disrupt all of these lows. 11300. Disrupt all of these lows. 11300. I want to see 5-minute time frame. It will be give me in this macro 11300. We have 1 minute left, and we will have this 15 as well. So now we'll have this 4-hour time frame close as well. So next 4-hour time frame, I will wait for 30 minutes, maybe more of like afternoon session. I will be looking for these lows. 101,300, maybe this monthly low as well. If it could give me the scalp trade. We have 1 minute left. Yeah. 11500. Can I go for a short right now? Lower high? Or should I have to wait? You can risk that. Anticipating a short in here. You're shorting in here, putting your stop loss above this candle high, looking for these lows. Let's see if it could give me this 3-hour trade. Anticipating, not trading. To be very careful to push before I push any kind of buttons. Look at this. Stick this trade and then let the trade run. This is already a great trade in here from here. For example, if you go for a short in here, you trust this 15-minute time frame price action. If you disrupt this low, it is going to definitely knock me all of those lows. And you let the trade run, you close your position. This is already great trade, man. But we have to learn now these kind of trades. Anticipating my stop losses up just above this high. Not trading. Got stopped out, got stopped down. So this may not play out. So yeah, we have to delete this now. Let's see how this candle close. This is still macro going on, so initial 10 minutes, maybe it could give us this 11300. We have this hourly close is done, 4-hour time frame close is done. If market fail to go down, not to go below this low right now, within next 10 minutes, oh, look at this candle close, man. Anticipating another short. Can I go for a short now? I can't risk that, man. Let me put my stop loss. The high of this candle is 102.249.2. 102. Risking 2.6%, man. Too much. When this candle close bearish, I will shift my stop loss. So we went for a short. My stop loss above this high. Now my stop loss should be above this high now, which is at 102, 176, 176.2, 1.2% risking. For these lows, at least it should give me this low. Risking 1.2%, I can risk that. This is macro as well, so I wanted to see it should give me this. Could give me all the way these lows as well. 101, 300. It should give me at least previous low. Let's highlight this level. Risking 1.2%, so I can risk that. So I will not this. Stop me out, stop me out. I will be careful. I think I may have got stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out. But just the good thing is I shift my stop loss quite a bit. That's why you have to be very careful with these kind of trades. Monthly low we're looking for 11500. I have to be aggressive at shifting my stop loss, man. I cannot do that. Just put my stop loss above this high. Could hold. Still, it is could be bearish from here, but still it did not. Still, it is trading below my first initial anticipation stop loss, which is this one. Yeah. Can I go for short now? This month we were looking for. Look at this. Look at this, man. Oh my goodness. Just shift my stop loss above this high. Stop me out, then go down. Oh my goodness. This is what you can say bad luck. This is what you can say bad luck. This is for God's sake, our trade. This is what you can say a bad luck, man. I cannot do anything. Just wait above my stop loss. And look at this. Okay. This is what you can say bad luck, man. This is what you can say bad luck. I'm still looking for 101 500. Market should not have to go above this high. Should give me these lows in this afternoon session. Yeah, we can anticipate a pullback from here toward upper side. The reason is I don't know, because this is 11 o'clock. If we get the bounce from here in the afternoon session, I will be looking for one 300. Look at this. I have to be more careful about my risk management now. 7, 5, 3. Yeah. I have to be risking under 1%. I have to be risking under 1%, not 1.5. Oh my god, this is a good trade. This is bad luck. This is bad luck. This is bad luck. This is bad luck. Maybe you don't have to be aggressive by shifting your stop loss initially. Maybe I would have been out from the market. I am done with this session trade, 5-hour trade. Great trade. We went for a short, for example, right down here. When this create this high, this kind of we went for a short. I went for a short, and it just then it when it closed like this, when it closes, kind of next kind of close. When this kind of close, I've shifted my stop loss just above this high, just gone up, stopped me out. Look at this. This is bad luck. Can't do anything about that. Can't do anything about that. For example, you enter in here and then 2-hour trade is good trade. It's not a bad trade. Cannot do anything now. One one 300. Give me 101 300. I'm greedy now. This is trading is sucks. Trading. You have to have some guts to be a trader. Yeah. This is bad luck, man. This is bad luck. Can't do anything. Oh my goodness. You trust bigger picture time frame, man. You always trust bigger picture time frame. Considering this. No. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You always trust bigger picture time frame. That's how it is. It would have been a good 2 3 hour trade, but it's fine. It's 11:14 and now. Let's play this one. Where was I? Yeah. Yo, give me this one, man. Oh. Oh no. It's gotta be on there. Nice one. To be patient. Nope. Oh, 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 oh. I will press now. Kind of golf. It's a good. Ooh, nice one, man. Uh, I don't know, man. Ooh, old. Fell down. Oh shit, man. Oh, nice try. Uh, let's see if. Oof. Oh, I have to be in here. Okay. I have to hit in here roundabout. I think so. Nice try, man. Mm. Oh, oh, this is because I cannot do anything now with this because I'm more of like in a grassy place. It may not go up. Oh, peony grass, man. Now it should give me this one now. Oh, stop. Yeah, that's nice. This is difficult. This is difficult now to achieve. This is difficult. Do you think it could give you this? Snooker. This is difficult, risky, risky. Let's try one more time. Risky. Just can I be able to give a straight try to this? Let's give a straight try. I may not give a straight try. If it could give me now a straight, but it even though like this is difficult, even though if it can't give me a straight, I have to go try this one from here, this side. Do you think? No. Oh, now it's just so difficult now. Oh my goodness. I fell down in here. And now to wait for afternoon session, man. This is bad luck. Can't do anything. We went for a shot in here. Market was already going down. I anticipate this is my top. We went for a shot at this candle. When this candle closed, I was like, I have to be aggressive at shifting my stop loss. I cannot risk that high. And I shift my stop loss above this high. It just stopped me out, went down. I was just looking for this monthly low and these lows. Yeah, it went down. So right now it has disrupted these lows as well. Now we have two possibilities: continuation toward downward side, because this is more of like afternoon session, could anticipate a pullback toward upper side a little bit, and we'll be looking for short again. Maybe I was not anticipating throughout this day like it could give that massive downward side candle. Maybe this way will gap. Let's see. But on bigger widget time frame, still I'm anticipating this is my top bottom. Let's play some golf, man. This is difficult. If I can be able to get this one, this is difficult, man. This is difficult. This is difficult because I have to hit in here. Oh shit, man! If can I be able to make a straight try, or do you think it could just held in here? Just give it this. Oh, that! Oh my goodness, man! That was a good try. That was a good try. Oh, I want to be in there. It was hold, man. Oh my god, way down. Oh. Intentionally doing this. Bro, why you not stopping there, man? Shit. I have to hold. Oh. Intentionally doing this. Oh no way. This is getting worse. 91 now. Kinda golf.